Hey guys, what's going on? We're going to be taking a look at a game controller by GameSir. This is their G4 model, which is compatible with Windows, Android, and PlayStation 3. In the box you get the controller, a charging cable, adapter, and the infamous random instructions. This can be used wirelessly via Bluetooth or wired with a micro USB connection and sports a 30-hour battery. If you were to compare this to a console controller, it would be very similar to the Xbox style with the D-pad and thumbstick placements, as well as the button naming with A, B, X, and Y. While the Windows and PlayStation 3 connectivity is really great, we were more interested in the Android capability, which seems to be what GameSir has really geared this towards with the cell phone holder function. Flip up the phone grip, pop in the extended clip, and load your phone in. Now you can really game on the go. Gaming on cell phones can be really difficult with on-screen virtual buttons. While tap and play games are simple and easy, most demanding games just fall short. It's the entire reason why handheld systems like Nintendo have dedicated physical buttons. Virtual buttons just plain suck. With this controller, you can really give your cell phone a huge gaming upgrade. Simply pair it to your phone and start gaming. It's really that simple. The build quality is extremely good, with light-up buttons, full LED indicators for battery life, rumble feature, and buttons, thumbsticks, and D-pad all feel great with good build quality. They feel snug and responsive. GameSir has taken the right approach by not skimping on quality. It's actually really rare to find a controller that feels and performs as well as competing console ones. Even the price is really reasonable. $37 for a good quality controller is really great, and the feel of the controller justifies the price. Leave a comment down below if you've always wanted to level up your gaming on your mobile device. Whether you're hitting up official Google Play Store games like Classic Sonic, PSP emulating with ROMs, or remote play with the Steam app, everything works really well. This has got a solid build, great performance, and a nice comfortable price. We're going to be giving this a 10 out of 10 game controllers. Check out the link in the description below if you want to grab one for yourself, and head on over to GameSir's site to learn more about their products. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to get alerts on future reviews.